welcome back. Um, this is Joanne or Ann Michelle, as I say, whichever you prefer. But welcome to my very first Plan With Me video. As I said in my intro video, I purchased the extension package, the wellness, I believe it's called the wellness extension package, which was undated. So I've already gone and dated for next week. This I'm planning for next week, which would be the 22nd through the 28th. I've already laid down my washi tape, and these are the washi tapes that I am using. So I've already laid those down, as you can see, and I'm using this book, the dates and holidays, and I hope you can see that. And I went in and I use these numbers to do my dating with. So anyway, I've already done that. So what I'm going to do now is, I think I'm going to use, I've already been doing some pre-planning, and I'm not exactly sure how this is going to go, but I'm going to use this sticker book to do my pre-plan, my planning on here for next week. So I like the sticker book because everything is kind of like grouped together. You can use this as, basically to tell a story. So I'm using, I think I'm going to use blue and purple and pink this week. So I'm going to use this one. And I'm going to start by, we already know the weekend, right? So I'm going to lay this weekend sticker down. And so let's put that down. And I generally like to put it sideways. And I think I'm just going to put it the regular way this time. Yeah, I just have to make sure I'm in frame, because I have to get up and down to see that I'm in frame. So I'm going to lay down the weekend plans. And I don't know what they are as of yet, but that's okay. So now I want to, let's see. I am going to start here, and I'm going to cover that with today's plan. So we'll have that there. If it'll cover the whole thing, will it cover the whole thing? Yeah. Today's plan. I like that right there. Now, I don't know, it's kind of a washout. I should put something else there and then put that on top of it. I'm going to take that up. I'm going to put this pink and white box here. There. So I'm going to put this all the way to the top here. If it'll cover it all. See, that's the only thing about some of these stickers. They don't cover everything. And then I can cut it. Alright, so I'm going to take my X-Acto knife. That's that. Now, I'm going to put this here. So how about that? I'm going to put the checklist down. I don't know if you can see. Oh, you know what? That's too close to that. I'm not going to put that there. That's too close to the pink. So I'm going to put this purple one down. This might be so much color, but that's okay. That one, it's not straight. I'll straighten it out in a minute. Then I'm going to put this one here. So I put that one there. And I actually need one more. But you know what? What I think I'm going to do? I am going to use... This probably is not going to hold a lot. I know Fridays we have conference meeting at church Friday. So I'm going to put that, a sticker for that one. And I don't know what else I'm going to do on Friday, so I'm going to put 3 down. I'm going to go ahead and put that one down too. Alright, so those are my checklists for the week. Now, I want to get to work. Let's put that on Monday. Put it like between Monday and Tuesday. Get to work. Alright, fill in this side. But now I'm going to see what I can find in my faith sticker book to help fill in those spaces. I like this pray, love, repeat. I'm going to put pray, love, repeats. And I'm going to put that here. Pray, love, repeats. I know I have Bible study on Wednesday, so let's go ahead and put down a Bible for Bible study. I'm gonna put it lower because this is in the evening time, 7 o'clock at night. So Bible study. Grace upon grace. Too blessed to be stressed. Yeah, that's me. I am too blessed to be stressed. So let's see if I can get this one out. And I want to put it. I am going to put it. Let's see, what do I want to put? Right here. That looks a little too crowded, but you know, oh well. I don't want to make it crowded. I don't want to cover up all the white spaces because I like mine to be functional. Prayer list here. So I don't know what I'm gonna do down here. So I'm going to put this. I'm gonna put this right here, and over this. Pray, 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 faith, and make my prayer list right here. Will that cover everything? It'll just leave a white circle, the end of the white circle. So I'm gonna put that down there, and then I'm gonna put this on top for my prayer list, right there. It's not even, but I'll even it up. And then I'm gonna lay this. No, I'm gonna lay this box down. You know what? I'm gonna finish this out, and then I'll come back.